Hi, today I'm going to read one of my favorite stories, a piggy and elephant story. Pigs make me sneeze. I hope that doesn't happen for you. Gerald, what do you want to do today? I want, yes? Oh, 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 what? Asked Piggy. Ah, a ball? A swim? A hat? Shoo! Yikes, poor Piggy. Are you okay? Asked Piggy. I do not know, said Gerald. Achoo! I cannot stop. Achoo! Sneezing. Oh, oh no! What if? What if? Asked Gerald. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Asked Piggy. I'm sorry, says Gerald. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Oh, this is very upsetting to Gerald. Then we cannot be friends, and then we must be apart forever. Oh, poor Gerald. But Gerald, said Piggy. No, no, do not speak. It's too late. Chew. Goodbye. Gerald. Oh, Gerald looks so sad. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Aww. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. I do not think pigs make you sneeze, says Dr. Cat. I don't think cats make you sneeze either. Gerald, I think you have a cold. Cold? Yes, you are sick. I am sick! Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, 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 great news. I have a cold. Good for you, says Piggy. The end. Why do you think that Gerald was so happy when he found out he had a cold? I think you're right. I think he was happy that he knew he could still be friends with Piggy because Piggy is his best friend. Have a great afternoon. Keep reading.